is the biggest tank in the world. The length is 36 meters, the height is about 3-story high, and the panel thickness is 700 mm thick. This whole entire panel comes in 7 pieces. It comes in over here to Singapore, where we have a huge logistic to bring them in. And due to the construction on site, because of a tight schedule, and also the very tight construction access, and with the coordination effort of the structural contractors, the builders, the specialist contractor who builds the panel, we managed to construct the whole entire tank almost in about 7 to 8 months. We really hope that the guests will take their time, enjoy this whole entire park to experience the marine life.